Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite games and how you can find them on your profile. So you are just going to favorite a game. For instance, I'm going to favorite Bloxburg, select it. Then you're going to select this icon and you're going to select favorite, which I've already favorited. So just select favorite again. To find it, just do this. You are going to basically go to the... Where is it? It used to be, hold on. I'm just going to go to the see all under continue. And then here you're actually going to change it to favorites and it will show like your favorite games here. And that is pretty much how you can see that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.